Hello, it's good evening here. It's 9:27 here. I'd wanted to come on live. I wanted to do a live video, but I don't know. This is the second time. The first time it took forever to connect, and unfortunately said my internet connection cannot communicate with YouTube anymore, and today as well. So today is the second time that I've tried going live, but it wouldn't go through. Sorry for the inconvenience, especially those who were waiting on the live broadcast. Okay, so today I'm going to be very brief. I'm going to talk for, let's say, about 20 minutes. I want to be brief. Okay, so today I'm talking about electricians are not the same, just as it is, or just as it is like in any other profession. Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk about is when you take, for example, in Ghana, when you take teachers are not the same. So when you go to private schools, there are teachers that we refer to them as teachers, but in actual sense they are not teachers. So actually we are wrongly calling them teachers because these people, first, they are not trained, second, they don't have any licenses or certification for them to be addressed as teachers. Okay, and at the same time, when you go to the same basic school level in the public schools, we have teachers there. These teachers are licensed. First, they've gone through a training college or teacher training college, and they are trained on what to do or what to do as a teacher. And also the second thing is, according to the law of Ghana, I don't know the specific law, but according to the law of Ghana, for you to be a teacher, for you to be teaching children, whether children or whatever, you need to be certified, you need to be licensed. Okay, and so using the example of the teachers, we can see that clearly one is a teacher. So we often, because I don't know how to put it, because we want to actually make light of it. We address the real teachers as professional teachers. Then we call those without certificates or those without certification as teachers. Okay, so the same thing applies to electricians. Okay, so when you come to Ghana, there is a law. Okay, so that is the Ghana Electrical Wiring Regulations 2011, LI 2008. Okay, so this law was passed into law in the year 2012. And this law is to make sure that especially first practitioners, that is technicians, practitioners in the electrical industry, are licensed and are being regulated. First, they are to be licensed and they are to be regulated. So regulated meaning they will be given rules and regulations, codes and regulations to follow. And through that process, or through that, we've seen a whole lot of development in that side. Okay, but one thing that I've come across I've learned is most Ghanaians are even ignorant of this law. Yeah, they don't know that there is a law concerning electricians in Ghana. Yes, there is a law. As an electrician, you need to be licensed. If you want to be addressed as an electrician, you need to be licensed. Okay, so what name do we give to these electricians? Okay, so in Ghana we use a short word, CEWP. Okay, so in full meaning it means Certified Electrical Wiring Professional. You see, it ends with professional. So the same thing that we use to address teachers, the word teachers, that is professional teachers, we are using the same thing here. Certified Electrical Wiring Professional. So the other people without certification, without a license, you don't have a name. Okay, so does it mean that if I've gone through apprenticeship training, let's say I've gone through a technical school or vocational education and I did general electrical, I can't practice as an electrician? Okay, the answer is yes and no. Okay, so you can practice. Okay, you can work under someone who is licensed, someone who is already licensed and in the system. You can work under this person. And also the second thing is you can also become a certified electrical wiring professional by going through the process. First, you will have to register for an examination. You will go and take the examination. That's a practical, an oral, and also that's a theory, practical, and an interview examination. And if you come out successful, you'll be licensed and you'll be also be addressed as CEWP, that is Certified Electrical Wiring Profession. And so, like I titled my video, electricians are not the same, just like in any other profession. We are not the same. As certified electrical wiring professionals, we go through, we do workshops. From time to time, we go to workshops and we pay for these workshops. I don't want to talk about the license, because for the license, that's really some good amount of money. Our license is expensive than that of nurses and also teachers, for your information. So this is what we go through, and we go through several workshops, because for you to be able to renew your license, you need to generate some points, and that is through workshops. And these workshops are not free, we pay for them. And so for the guy who is just in the corner, who is doing electrical work illegally, they don't have anything to lose. They don't care about codes and regulation. They are not accountable to anyone. They just do anything, though they are not all doing the right thing. I know few of them. I know definitely there are some of them who are doing the right thing, or who does a clean job, let's say a clean job. But as far as they are not licensed, we put them in that category. And as far as they are not licensed, these people are not accountable. And when they do mistakes, when they do wrong stuff, they are not accountable to anyone, because they know their names are nowhere. They don't have a license that will be revoked. They don't have a license that will be taken from them. They don't have they don't have any kind of punishment, because as a licensed electrician, your license can be revoked, and there are some kind of accountability. That is when you do a bad job. And for example, if a client go to report that, oh, so and so, Mr. Victor Hartman, as a licensed electrician, has come to do this job for me, and this job wasn't satisfactory. So when you report it to Energy Commission will investigate it, and when they find out that what the client complained about is true, they will give you a warning. They will instruct you, or they will give a recommendation for you to go back there and do the right thing according to codes and regulation. Then if you fail to do that for some consecutive times, your license will be revoked. Your license will be taken from you. Yes, you heard me right. Yes, you heard me right. Your license will be revoked, or it will be taken from you. So for the corner guy, I will do it very cheap for you guys. These people, they are not accountable. Nothing. For a certified electrical wiring profession, when you do a bad job, you'll be forced to go back to do it. And also, by this Energy Commission, or by this law, as a builder, as a property owner, as someone putting up a property, whether commercial, domestic or residential or industrial, you have the mandate to contact the right person, that is a certified electrical wiring profession. You don't give jobs to any corner person who addresses or calls himself an electrician. They might do it, but when they mess up, there is no accountability from them. When they mess up, you can't report them to any authority, because they don't have any business with Energy Commission. But every electrician, that is every certified electrical wiring profession, or every licensed electrician, they are under accountability, and they are accountable for everything or every action that they take. Their license is at risk. They will go back to do corrections, or the mess that they will create when they go to do a bad job. And still, there are some punishments on top of it. Okay, so my final words. We are not the same. Don't make a mistake. And just like any other profession in Ghana, these illegal teachers that we addressed the last teachers, that is teachers without certificates or license, they are underpaid here. They are paid between let's say 450, 400, 500, 600, maybe 1,000 plus, depending on the school. But licensed teachers or professional teachers are paid not so well, but they are paid better than the unqualified or corner teachers. It is the same thing with us. You don't compare certified electrical wiring professionals with corner electricians or corner electricians, or I can do it for you for cheap people. No, you don't compare us to them. These people, they don't invest in anything. They don't invest in themselves. They don't invest in tools. They don't invest in knowledge or anything. So you don't compare us to them. And also keep in mind that our charges, our labor charges or workmanship can never be the same. Can never be the same. Okay, so this is what I need to share, and like I said, keep in mind that electricians are not the same, just like any other profession. Have a good night.